Well, hello there, fabulous people. Let me show you a nice little idea of a treat I like to make my family during those weekends where we like to stay at home and just watch a movie. It is Puff Puff. Absolutely tasty and what a treat. So, if you're ready, get your aprons on and let's get started. To begin, I'm using 2 cups of self-raising flour. I'm using 1/3 cup of caster sugar, and I'm adding mixed spice, just a half teaspoon. I'm adding ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Now, as always, I like to mix all these dry ingredients together so that everything is thoroughly combined. Now, we need 250 ml of liquid for this recipe. So I'm adding 125 ml of water and 125 ml of fresh milk. Throw this straight into the dry ingredients and use a spatula and begin to mix. Now for the mixing, you need to use your spatula and slap the batter continuously until it gives you this super stretchy and very sticky batter. That's exactly the consistency you want from this. Now once that's ready, I'm going to simply fold everything very nicely. I'm going to simply cover this and allow the yeast to work its magic for a minimum of at least 1 hour. Now it's been an hour already. It's giving me these very lovely bubbles on top. It's lovely airy bubbles on the top. That's exactly what you need. Now to begin frying, I'm going to simply add some frying oil into my very deep frying pot. Now I'm going to use an ice cream scoop and simply scoop just a little short of a full scoop. So depending on the size of puff puff you're trying to make, I use just a little below a full scoop of the ice cream scoop. And that gives me just the right medium size puff puff. Exactly what I need for my family. A quick tip to remember here, remember to reduce your flame to a very medium low heat. You want it to be nicely golden and not burnt, okay? So remember to keep turning your puff puff occasionally so that it's nicely golden all around. It looks absolutely beautiful. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 4 on very low heat. And take a look at this absolute golden gorgeousness. Tea time is ready. The movie is set. The family is ready to munch on this yumminess. Quick tip to note, if you're on a healthy path and absolutely do not want deep fried food, just remember to add more flour into the batter at the beginning. Then you can mold it and put it in an air fryer or simply bake in an oven. It will give you a very lovely golden result, which is also healthy for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, I'll see you again next time for another video. Goodbye.